Ripple effect button, inspired by drop of water effect. It will make your button surely look attractive, catch everyone's attention and fun. Still wonder how it works? Let's go ahead and get done. Now this video is designed for YouTube. We will be moving very quick way, so feel free to slow down the video or pause if necessary. I have 3 files ready, one for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Jump to the basic HTML tags, a title, style sheet links, and a simple button tag with a class of btn. Save the file and good to go. Move on to styling. I always reset in my whole tags as so. Get rid of padding and margin. Flexbox to move the button to the center. I will give the body a height of 100 viewport height. And here it is. Our little boy needs a new haircut. I use position relative because I will use pseudo-element as absolute. Hide any overflow. Some hover effect with this transition from current background to the other. Pseudo type, I will give it a padding of 50%. We give it these properties to have it on the middle. Zero opacity to show it on click with this transition. Jump to the active event. If the user clicks, we will change some properties on before pseudo element. Reset transition to the default value, make the before element visible, and this to let the circle grows and fades out. Let's give it a try. It works perfect. To make it more dynamic, we should know where the user clicks exactly on the button. Here it comes JavaScript turn. First of all, we have to link our both files to know each other. Get our button with the class of btn, add in an event listener to our button whenever mouse clicked, in a function to get some mouse data based on where the user clicks. Get the event target means the clicked button. Now we will need to get the button offset on the screen from top and left. The x and y constant will set to where exactly user or client click on the screen, but only if he clicks on the button, because we started our script based on button click only. Now we have the both values that we need. We will have to pass them to CSS variables. If you are not familiar with CSS variables, aka custom properties, allow you to reuse your values through all your style sheet. You can define variable inside the root element. We start with double dash followed by whatever name you want. Then you can give it any valid CSS value. Using this variable by var function, you can use this variable many times, and also you can update the value once. That's what makes CSS variables amazing. This is just a piece of cake. I would recommend you to learn more. It will make your work a lot easier and faster. The root CSS pseudo class matches the root element of a tree, representing the document. So I will go up to get that document first to have a chance to pass our data through it. Set variable x with x constant, the same thing with y. That's it for JavaScript. Here you can see our CSS variables changing depending on where we click. Let's move on to the final step where we get these variables and feed them to left and top CSS properties. And we will need a calc function to calculate the regular number to an actual pixel value. Here we go, let's give it a try. You can find the project source code on my code pen below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also I will be very glad to read your comments. Thank you for watching.